Do you do social media marketing? Want to make it a lot simpler? You may have even checked out Fiverr and seen that for a very small amount of money you can get posts. So for $7.32 Australian, we can come and we can get within 24 hours some post for our social media. So for $7.32 Australian in one day, we can get 10 posts. So what we could do, well, this is just for one post, is we could look at a solution like this, which is $5 a month. You could then use it for 45 posts. And what you do is you log into this tool. Once you've connected it all up, you just go schedule a post. You put in the channels that you are interested in scheduling that post for. Put in the time that you are going to be scheduling this. Add that to our schedule. Click on our content co-pilot here, and we can then go to RSS feeds. We can look into different feeds that are here. We can then look at different blogs that they have, and we can then go copy to replace the link. Go so then it has that in there, and we can schedule. Done. So next one, create a post, put your channels in, set your time, add it in, go to hashtag search, so we can go fast review, see what happens. So software review, and we will go add to, and we will go to our feed, we go tech, we'll go the next web, and we'll go this one, click, replace the link, and schedule. Alright, so I hope you're getting the idea of how quick this is. So 10 posts could take you no time at all, and by doing it yourself, $5 a month, or you could get someone to do 10 posts at $7 Australian. So basically, if we did it conversion to the Australian dollars to American, it would cost you $5 American approximately to get 10 posts that you could do yourself for the same price. You could set up and have a scheduler all running with RADAAR. So just options of how you can use SaaS to automate and be really efficient in your business. You could hire some freelancer to do it and get 10 posts, or you could use a SaaS software like RADAAR for your social media, and you could do 45 posts and it will schedule it for you onto social profiles. So really good value for money, and it's really smart to be using these SaaS tools to improve your efficiency and your marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.